Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. Welcome to the science class. Today, in grade 1, we are going to learn about dissolving materials. Today is 15th of December 2020. If you see the words to learn, there is a word named dissolve. Dissolve. Today, mainly the purpose of this topic is to learn what is the meaning of dissolve and what is actually dissolve. So let's continue. Dissolve. Dissolve means mix completely with the liquid. If you mix any material, put it in the water or any liquid and it completely mixes up, you no longer see it, it means dissolve. In other words, we can say when we put a material in a liquid and it disappears, it means it has dissolved. For example, if we mix salt in water, it will disappear. We say salt dissolves in water. The salt dissolves in water. Now let's see activity of dissolving materials in water. For this activity, I'll take 3 glasses and fill them with water. Now I'm going to put detergent in the first glass. The first material I am using is detergent. Second material is salt and I am going to put it in water, and the third material I am using is oil. I am putting oil in water to see if it dissolves or not. Now I'm going to stir the first glass, that in which we put detergent. I'm going to mix it. Let's see if it dissolves or not. You can see some foam on the top. It means the detergent has dissolved. Now I'm going to stir oil in water, but you can see oil is not dissolving. It is staying on the top of the water. So oil do not dissolve in water. The third thing is I'm going to stir. The third material I put was salt, and you can see that salt is slowly disappearing. It means it is dissolving in water. Salt has completely dissolved in water. So now here's another activity. I have taken glass of cold water and glass of warm water, and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of salt in each glass. Now I'm going to stir one. This glass is hot and this is cold. Let's see which one dissolves faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I stir it for 14 seconds. Now I'm mixing the hot water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see some salt left behind in the cold water, and in the hot water salt is completely dissolved. Now you can see this is the hot water and this is the cold water. You can see some salt is left behind. I'm going to stir it again to mix all the salt. Cold water takes longer to dissolve, and in hot water salt dissolves quickly. Now all the salt is dissolved. There is no salt in the glass right now. I hope that you have learned about the term dissolve. Your homework is do the given worksheet that is attached, that is given as a doc file, and do activity book page number 20. On this page, you can see there are 2 boys that are mixing salt with water. They need to find the answers if salt dissolves faster in hot water or cold water. And now you can see they have recorded their result in a form of table. The temperature of water is very cold, warm and hot, and time taken to dissolve salt in seconds was, in very cold it took 50 seconds, in cold it took 40 seconds, in warm it took 35 seconds, and in hot water just salt took 20 seconds to dissolve. So what did they find out? They find out that question number 1 is, at which temperature did the salt dissolve fastest? Fastest means lowest time. It is 20 seconds. So here you will write hot. And at which temperature did the salt dissolve slowest? Slowest, it means it took more time, and you can see here it 50 seconds. In the second question you will write cold. The third question is, what would happen to the salt in iced water? Iced water is even colder than cold water. So it will take more than 50 seconds. Iced water, it will take more than 50 seconds to dissolve. Hope you have understood it well. Allah Hafiz.